Craving crispy chicken but worried about those calories? Let's whip up a healthy version that's super easy to make. Start by preheating your oven to a sizzling 400 degrees. Cut 2 chicken breasts into strips for that perfect bite. Mix almond flour, paprika, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Dip the strips in egg, then coat them in the almond mix. Bake for 20 minutes, flipping halfway for crispiness. Enjoy your crispy chicken fingers, just 458 calories each.